Of course, going to Egypt means that you will visit the pyramids and the tombs and all those wonderful monuments. But my entire trip was based on wanting to sail on the Nile. Agatha Christie's movie Death on the Nile, well, the book first, was filmed here a lot of it here in Aswan. So we were by the hotel and it was just so cool. I really, really enjoyed this area. I love this island village that we visited, and as you can see, there's rooms for rent, and I've actually looked them up, and it's only $60 a night. I'm in next trip. We had dinner one evening in the home of a local Nubian family. They were so delightful. They even shared some of the recipes with us, and I've prepared them as a PDF for you to download. See the link in the description. And of course, we were entertained by their young son. So delightful. Enjoy.
Yalla good. Should be saying Jaja Paluka, which she comes. Saying Jaja Paluka, Jaja Paluka, which she comes. You like it? I'm good in it. Ayana.